falling in love is a thing that strikes like lightning, but you see it is completely unpredictable. And so it is, in that way, like falling in love, capricious and therefore crazy. But if you should be so fortunate as to encounter either of these experiences, it seems to me to be a total denial of life to refuse it.
I, Robert Stewart Birch,
Take you, Tina George, to be my wife.
take you, Tina George, to be my wife.
I promise to respect you and honour you,
I promise to respect you and honour you,
to be open with you,
to be open with you,
and support you in sickness and in health
and support you in sickness and in health
for the rest of my days.
for the rest of my days.
I, Tina George, take you, Robert Stewart Birch,
To be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to respect you and honour you,
I promise to respect you and honour you,
to be open with you,
to be open with you,
to support you in sickness and in health,
to support you in sickness and in health,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
and I will be faithful to you forever.
and I will be faithful to you forever.
Congratulations, Tina and Rob, for such an amazing day, and you made such a beautiful couple. Congratulations, Rob and Tina. Tina, I've known you for many years. We were babies, we were infants together, we were teenagers together. We've had so many giggles, we've had tears, but we've had so many good memories and I'm so happy for you.
Really, to the bride and groom, Rob and Tina, I love you loads. What a lovely day this is to have with the family here. All the friends. It's absolutely amazing. I'm never going to forget this rest of our life. It's many years together. Love you all the best.
Happy birthday, Tina and Rob. Brilliant, yeah. Lovely.
Congratulations, Rob and Tina. Love you both lots. Thank you for a wonderful day.